Hello kids, let's learn animals' name and their young ones. Cat. Cat young one is kitten. Dog. Dog young one is puppy. Hen. Hen young one is chick. Duck. Duck young one is duckling. Cow. Cow young one is calf. Tiger. Tiger young one is cub. Elephant. Elephant young one is calf. Horse. Horse young one is colt. Kangaroo. Kangaroo young one is joey. Monkey. Monkey young one is infant. Owl. Owl young one is owlet. Frog. Frog young one is tadpole. Giraffe. Giraffe young one is calf. Sheep. Sheep young one is lamb. Goat. Goat young one is kid. Donkey. Donkey young one is foal.